Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica's two-time World Championship mile relay silver medalist Tiffany James Rose has been slapped with a 2-year ban according to the Athletics Integrity Unit, the AIU. James is listed among 22 athletes who were handed suspensions for anti-doping violations in the month of March. According to the AIU, James Rose's ban will run from June 19, 2023 to November 4, 2025. The AIU did not stipulate which specific anti-doping violation James Rose committed. However, James Rose told TVJ Sports on Tuesday afternoon that her suspension resulted from a whereabouts failure, adding that her information on the Anti-Doping Administration and Management System portal was not updated in a timely manner, resulting in her not being available when the testers needed her. James Rose said she would not be appealing the suspension and also cast a doubt about returning to the sport, noting that her focus now was on motherhood, enjoying the moment and spending quality time with her family. James Rose, a former world under-20 400-meter champion, gave birth to her first child last December. The now 27-year-old quarter-miler last competed for Jamaica at the 2022 World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, where she ran the heats of the mile relay, where Jamaica eventually secured silver in the final. She also ran on the mixed 4x400-meter relay team, which placed 5th in the final.